begin by focusing on your breath. Pay attention to the natural flow of your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest, or the expansion and contraction of your belly. Let your breath become slower and more profound, guiding you towards a state of deep relaxation. Bring awareness to your body. Start from your toes, checking in with each part of your body as you move slowly upward. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension or stress stored in that area. Gradually move through your feet, ankles, legs, hips, chest, back, arms, shoulders, neck, and head, allowing every part to relax fully. Visualize yourself in a serene and tranquil setting of your choice, somewhere that brings you peace and calmness. Engage your senses fully, imagining the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations of this peaceful environment. Allow yourself to bask in the tranquility and serenity of this place. Focus on mindfulness and present moment awareness. Allow your attention to rest on the flow of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Notice the subtleties of each breath, observing without trying to change anything. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment, and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Allow thoughts to pass like clouds in the sky, simply observing their presence without getting entangled in them. Expand your awareness to include sensations in your body, tingling, warmth, or areas of tension. Notice any emotions that may arise: joy, frustration, calmness, and observe them with curiosity and compassion, letting them be without clinging to them. Shift your attention to sounds around you, whether they are distant or nearby. Notice their presence, allowing them to come and go without attachment. Bring your attention back to your breath whenever distractions arise. Embrace the stillness and allow yourself to sink deeper into the present moment with each passing breath. Cultivate a sense of spaciousness and openness in your awareness, letting go of any desire for things to be different from how they are in this moment. Gradually, bring your focus back to your breath, allowing the gentle rhythm to anchor you to the present moment. Notice the sensations of each inhale and exhale, feeling the natural flow of your breath throughout your body. Embrace this moment of centeredness and peace, appreciating the serenity that resides within you. Acknowledge the peace and relaxation you've cultivated during this extended period of mindfulness practice. Recognize the effort you've put into nurturing a tranquil state of being. As you begin to transition back to your surroundings, continue to breathe deeply and intentionally, allowing this sense of calmness to envelop you. Feel the profound sense of tranquility and presence that you've generated within yourself. Start to bring gentle movements to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your limbs, and roll your shoulders. Allow these subtle movements to awaken your body gradually. As you become more aware of your surroundings, continue to maintain a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Take your time to savor this peaceful state, knowing that you can carry it with you into your daily life. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take in your environment with a renewed sense of clarity and presence. Notice the colors shapes, and textures around you without rushing. Embrace the beauty and simplicity of the present moment. As you transition back, carry this profound sense of calmness and tranquility with you. Know that this peaceful state is accessible to you whenever you need it. Take a moment to appreciate the deep relaxation and peace you've achieved during this extended guided meditation session. Take a few moments to reflect on how you feel after this prolonged practice. Notice any shifts in your mind, body, or emotions. Express gratitude for the time you've dedicated to nurturing your well-being and inner peace. Carry this sense of tranquility with you as you gradually return to your daily activities, knowing that you can always return to this space of calmness and centeredness whenever you desire. Allow yourself to enjoy the deep relaxation and peace you've cultivated during this extended guided meditation session, integrating its benefits into your life as you move forward. Thank you for sharing your valuable time with me in this meditation journey. I hope it brings you continued serenity and enriches your life in beautiful ways. Wishing you a day filled with peace and positivity. Until we meet again, be well and stay centered. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more moments of peace and relaxation.